Hi guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing what's in the box part 3. I have a ton of boxes left and these are pretty big and there's lots of stuff in it which will be too long to put in the regular hauls, so I figured for the boxes I'm gonna do their own videos. Okay, let's see what's in this big massive box. Oh my god, that's insane. Stickers, washies. Okay, so there's a couple of boxes in here which takes up a big space. It's good to know. I'm gonna put the stickers here and feel free to pause at any time to take a closer look. I'm not gonna take out the stickers out of the bag because for those videos I'm doing separate videos, one by one, looking through what we have. So in this video we can just see kind of what's in it. Usually not on these, but usually on the back it shows all the designs that we have, but we have multiple designs in each. These ones are organized by color. This one is a random pinkish, peach pink, yellow brownish, green. Got a few of these, more darker purple, gray ones. I have not seen gray ones. This is gonna look really good in journal. Let's see. Oh, okay, this one, Sweet Dream. This one has a girl doing different activities and there's 45 pieces. And then we also have this one, same brand, different design. So this one is more reddish, this one's more bluish, kind of giving off the Alice in Wonderland vibes. Also 45 piece. And then we have Yellowish Butterflies. And then this one is how many pieces? Doesn't say how many pieces, and I don't read in Chinese. Oh, here. I think there's 20 designs and 2 of each. That's what it means, 20 and 40. Those are kind of like floral stickers. And then I wanted to show you this box over here. This is kind of like a manga girls stuff, but it's a whole box. So there's 6 rolls, 6 bigger rolls, and 6 thinner washies. Let me open this quick. So pretty. Perfect to give as a gift. Okay, never mind. That was a lie. What is this? It's empty. It's just... So this 6-bit is not a washi. It's just a sticker. Just a random sticker. Oh, it's supposed to be Alice in Wonderland. I was not seeing it. It's like a very different design of Alice in Wonderland. Like this girl, she kind of looks like the Russian outfit. So yeah, it's just stickers with it, and then the thin washies. It's okay. I don't love it as much as I thought I was gonna, but it's okay. It's pretty. It's a nice gift. More butterflies. I've seen someone use butterflies for resin, and that's something I wanted to try. Brown butterflies. This almost looks like my color, my hair color. Very beautiful. Amazing designs. I have put links down below, and even if it's not links for these specific items, it's a way for you to start to find stuff, good stuff, because if you just open the links that I put down below from AliExpress, then scroll down and you'll see the similar items, which is where you can find all the other things I buy, and that's how I find all the goodies. That's where they live, down in the suggested part. Okay, more stickers. This one I have already, but mine is kind of like a washy style, washy texture, but this is more intense, so this is not going to be see-through. Then we also have a floral one. It should have 6 sheets in here. Oh no, 2 sheets only. So this and the background sheet. Very, very good. Very sharp, very good printer used. This, I'm not sure what this is. Could be a gift, just random, well, stickers. This too doesn't look like something I would buy. We'll figure it out later. Mushrooms and other stuff in here. And then you see this is a frame which can also be used. It's not with the bag, it's another sticker. And this one is same but blue, and this one has bugs, butterflies, what is that, butterflies, dragonflies. And then we also have another one of this, but different butterfly designs. And this also has more frames in here, so we can put it on top of something. Very nice. Then we got these. These are sticker sheets of Japanese manga girls. Deco sticky, 4 sheet. We'll look at them individually when I do the stickers. Here we have another box, and this one doesn't look LSE at all. It just has the teacups. What is a cat? I don't remember a cat made in Alice in Wonderland. A female cat made, because there is a cat in Alice in Wonderland, but it's a boy, and he does not clean people's houses. And here we have also like six sheets of stickers, and then 6 smaller ones. Cute. It's alright. Flowers. More flowers. And ooh, that I need to organize somewhere else. Camera. And then we also gonna have a bunch of washies after this. But first, we have these massive butterfly stickers. There's only 5 butterflies. 5 butterfly style, and there's 2 of each in here, and they are big. So let's see. Here's an iPhone, and it's like almost a little bit bigger than half of an iPhone. And this one has blue designs. I think the outline is too thick. I don't like it. I mean, I love it, but the outline, the gold is too thick. And then this one has, I think this was a gift. Yeah, this is a gift. It's just 1 sheet of tiny little bits. I mean, it's very nice. Very nice. Yes, 1 sheet. Let me open this so we can take a closer look at one. I want to see how thick this gold is. Ooh. Okay, first of all, look how much better the silver looks rather than the gold. Is that crazy how much difference that makes? Silver, gold, silver, gold, silver, gold. Which one do you prefer? Alright, look. I mean, it doesn't look bad, right? Oh, it's silver. And this is the back, so it's not as vivid as the front blue. How crazy is that? So, pretty big. Yeah, I prefer the silver. So much nicer. Then we have a couple of washies. That's just half of it. So we have the green butterfly. What I like about the washies is there are multiple ones of each design, not just 1 or 2. And then we also have a yellow one. So green, yellow, pink, pretty pink, pinkish, reddish, purple. Lots of design. This one is a galaxy. And then this beige brown mix butterflies. Let's see, pig, little piggies. This is for Oh, farm animals, sorry. Farm animals. This is for bullet journaling. We got a orange I think, butterfly designs. Cute, very sharp. Yeah, those are, I'll show those individually. This is another galaxy one, but it's oh, it's a unicorn. Yes. This is kind of like a lilac purple lavender. A rainbow star universe. So this is just the universe. I see planets. That's what I see. Masking tape. This is girls and doing different activity, and we also have some butterflies and mushrooms. Pretty big, so it takes up a big space. Brownish butterflies. Let's see. Oh wow, that's a beautiful design. Very pretty. A little bit unusual compared to the other ones. The other ones are more realistic. This one was like, there was some cheetah prints. Let's see, these are like simple designs. Then we have this one. It is just random stuff floating around, kind of Alice themed, but not really. It's mostly just teacups floating around, blue colored. Then another one with random designs. Oh, I see a manga girl, a book. It doesn't want to turn anymore. But yeah, random stuff. It's pretty big, so I'm hoping there's a lot of designs. This one has a print. There's pictures. It's very sharp, very vivid. I have no idea. Yeah, this one's more Alice themed. Here we have a big white rabbit. Oh, and another one. A very odd dress. Looks like a door. Like a house. Windows, yes. A house dress. And it's gonna have, oh yeah, I see there's a witch Alice. Like there's an Alice wannabe dressed like a witch. Oh, we got two more. This, I'm trying to figure out what this is from above. Kind of looks like a scarf, maybe. Let's just open it, whatever. I like these ones because it's not like the washi material. You see this part, this white part, that's the washi material. But underneath the actual washi, ooh! Oh, okay. So these are see-through completely. So when I put it down, you see nothing of the outline background. Lots of stuff. That's where it repeats. So it's until this bird. These are all the stuff. It does kind of look like a scarf. The little thing you put around your neck. Cute. I like it. Good design, sharp, good colors. Oh, we have another butterfly. Blue. Beautiful blue. I think they're all these are the same design printed by different sellers. Okay, last one is this box. Again with Alice being a witch. She was never a witch, but it has those Alice kind of elements in here. Like there's the mirror, the bunnies, but there's no witchcraft. So it's a mix of everything. Okay, that was it for this video. What's in the box part 3. I'm hoping in part 4 we're gonna see some more dyes and other craft supplies, not just stickers. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, there's an open giveaway going on right now.